Welcome to this breeze meditation. It's going to help you sleep deeply. It's important before you begin this meditation that you set yourself up somewhere, either on your bed or on a sofa or on the ground, where it's perfectly safe for you to fall asleep. This meditation is going to help your body rest deeply so that you can wake up feeling refreshed. Wriggle out any discomfort and have a big stretch if you feel like it. Stretching out your body will help it relax. And now, gently close your eyes. Begin focusing on deep, relaxed breaths. In and out. I'm going to assist you to deeply relax. I'll be asking you to rotate your attention around your body. And as I guide you, your body will naturally settle and deeply relax. Continue your deep, relaxed breaths, breathing in and out. As you breathe in, feel your body gently expand. And as you breathe out, feel it soften and relax. Gentle, expansive breath in and a relaxing breath out. Sensing your body as it rests on the surface beneath you. This time, take a nice deep breath in and sigh your exhale through your mouth. Feel the muscles in your shoulders relax. And again, a deep breath in and a sigh out. As you breathe out next time, bring your attention fully to your body. Simply focus on the words I'm saying and the feeling of your body. Your mind may become distracted. Just notice when this happens and gently bring your attention back to your body. First, notice the feelings of your inhale as it moves past your nostrils. And as you exhale, let your attention drop right down your body, all the way to your toes. Now move your attention to the sensations you feel in the soles of your feet. Tops of your feet. Ankles. Calves. Shins. knees, upper legs, inside your hip joints, tailbone, sit bones, the whole of your pelvis, the whole of your lower body relaxed. Left hip to armpit, right hip to armpit, lower back, middle back, upper back, lower abdomen, middle abdomen, upper abdomen, chest, collarbone, the whole of your torso relaxed. Simply keep tuning your attention to my voice and your body. Fingers, palms of hands, back of hands, wrists, lower arms, elbows, upper arms, across the tops of your shoulders, both arms and shoulders deeply relaxed. Notice your throat, sides of neck, back of neck, back of head, sides of head, top of head, forehead, eyelids, eyes, behind your closed eyes, soft and relaxed. nose, cheeks, lips, chin, inside the mouth, and back into the jaw. Releasing and letting go. Whole head deeply relaxed. Even your brain relaxing into the back of your head. Lungs softening into the back of your rib cage as you breathe out. Heart resting back into your chest. Your breath full and easy without effort. Lower body relaxed. Upper body relaxed. Front of body. Back of body. Whole body letting go. Breathe softly and gently. Let your muscles feel like butter melting. Your bones feeling hollow and weightless. Your joints soft and spacious. Whole body letting go. Send a wave of relaxation through your whole body as you exhale. Comforted by your soft, gentle breath. Every cell in your body relaxed. Softly focusing on your inhale and exhale. Deeply resting on the surface below you. Quietly, gently, slowly falling asleep.